In the past several days and weeks, if you have been following the news around Tesla Giga Berlin, you have heard a lot about new developments around the infrastructure that is being built for and around Giga Berlin. Now, today we have some news about the infrastructure, and our friend Jurgen took his first ride with the new shuttle bus from Fangschleuse, the train station, to Giga Berlin, and I'm also going to tell you the latest developments around Giga Berlin. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So the local governments in around Giga Berlin, around Grünheide and including Grünheide, have been working on infrastructure, building infrastructures around Tesla Giga Berlin factory, because imagine, starting in few months, 7,000 people will come and work in the area, which will possibly potentially grow up to 40,000 people working at Giga Berlin. You need new roads, you need new stores, you need new bus routes, you need new train routes, more train stops and so on, even bike routes, all this coming to Giga Berlin, and some of it is already in place. This morning, our friend Jurgen, who regularly tweets news from Tesla Giga Berlin, has this little video showed. It's a 2-minute video in which he says new infrastructure around Gigafactory 4, Tesla Giga Berlin. My first ride with the new shuttle bus number 419 from Fangschleuse station, he refers to the rail station, to Giga Berlin. And he says, wow, that was fast. So let's take a look at the video and then we'll continue with news. As you can see, a very interesting video. He starts his trip from Fangschleuse train station, and from there he takes the 419 bus, but the bus is basically empty because it's probably new. Not many people are using this infrastructure route yet, and the bus goes through the forest. It's a long ride in the forest, and then all of a sudden you can see the Gigafactory Berlin, Tesla Giga Berlin, opening up in front of the view. I like the video, and people are commenting under the video of Jurgen, like Tesla Mug is saying, nice, how did you get there before? On foot, and you were the only passenger today, it seems. Was it the first day of operations? And Jurgen, who tweets at GF4 Tesla, says, hello, yes, usually I walk from the station to the Giga Berlin through the forest about 30 minutes. So if you walk from Fangschleuse station to Giga Berlin through the forest, I don't know how safe it is, probably there are some hiking routes, it's 30 minutes. And Jurgen continues saying, this trip was on Friday at 2:30 p.m., which is yesterday, and he says, I was the only passenger. The buses are not heavily used at the moment, as many workers come from company cars or also carpool, as I could could observe. So he says many workers come with company cars. These are probably construction company cars for construction workers, I assume, or maybe they're taking carpools. But I think of over time, more people will be using the bus for getting to Giga Berlin. Another person named Simon Vegar says, is this an electric bus? Jurgen says, no, it's not. So I think this is very exciting, friends. It's a nice bus route, and this is the first trip that our friend Jurgen took with the new shuttle bus, number 419. In case you are in Berlin or the area and you want to go to Giga Berlin factory to see it, I assume you take the train to Fangschleuse station from Berlin, and then you take bus number 419 to get to Giga Berlin. In the meantime, we have a lot of interesting developments around Tesla Giga Berlin. You know that yesterday I reported, right now at Giga Berlin, Tesla is facing about two problems with Giga Berlin. One is the lawsuit by environmental organizations about felling the 82.9 hectares of forest which was actually approved for clearing on November 30th. However, on December 7th, two environmental associations filed an objection to the competent administrative court. In that objection, they argued that the deforestation of that 82.9 hectares would kill protected species such as the sand lizards and smooth snakes in their underground winter dwellings. For this reason, on December 8th, the court urgently terminated the preliminary clearing agreement. I'm going to and then actually, well, let me finish this and then I go to the second problem. On December 10th, an administrative court allowed further cleaning on the forest at Tesla construction site, as there was no compelling reason to suspend Tesla's work in felling the 82.9 hectares of forest, which is already in the area which Tesla has purchased. And I think Tesla was going to build the battery factory there, which Elon Musk said Tesla is going to build the world's largest electric vehicle battery factory at Giga Berlin. Now, like I said, on December 10, an administrative court allowed further clearing of the forest as Tesla construction site, as there was no compelling reason to suspend it, to stop the work. However, environmental organizations appealed to the higher administrative court or supreme administrative court in Berlin-Brandenburg, which actually again forbade the clearing of the territory before the announcement of a decision in this case. They said, the administrative court said, we need more. Actually, the environmental organizations were saying we need more time to clear to take the lizards and smooth snakes out of their winter dwellings. And also they were pointing that Tesla should wait until the final permit is coming, which is expected to come this month. And now there is also this problem with this final permit, which yesterday I reported that Tesla apparently missed the deadline of paying 100 million euros security deposit. For this 100 million euros is $120 million. So this was going to be deposited to the government's bank account. In case the final permit doesn't come, this money was going to be used to tear down everything that Tesla has built at Giga Berlin factory and plant new trees. That's why it's called security deposit. So Tesla missed the deadline. Tesla asked one day before for a longer time until January 4th. The government said, no, you had enough time. Tesla said, it was virus, pandemic and so on. The government said, no, you either pay or you continue. So right now, as of yesterday, the construction work RBB 24 reports is suspended because security is missing, and RBB says there had already been a dispute over clearing on the Tesla site last winter. When the first forest areas were cleared, the Berlin-Brandenburg Higher Administrative Court finally rejected the urgent application from two environmental associations then, and Tesla was able to fell trees before the start of the growing season. In an initial phase, the US automaker plans to build around 500,000 cars, compact Model 3 and Model Y vehicles per year. Tesla said it will start from Model Y, and so far the company has been building through individual provisional approvals and as its own risk, because the complete environmental approval of the state of the Brandenburg is still pending. Conservationists and local residents fear negative consequences for the environment. However, RBB reports the construction work is currently suspended because the group lacks security service amounting to 100 million euros, which means group lacks Tesla has missed paying the 100 million euro security deposit. Tesla should deposit it at it as a bank guarantee. About 3 weeks ago, the State Environment Agency allowed the construction of the paint shop and the clearing at the so-called, these are called early measures, provisional measures that allow you to do certain work, but the final permit is not given, and you take this certain work on your own risk. You do it on your own risk, knowing that in case the final permit doesn't come, you can't continue and you have to tear down everything at your expense. So this means that Tesla must reverse both of these if the final approval for the entire project is not given. In order to secure this dismantling, the office asked for 100 million euros as a pledge, as a security deposit. I don't think this will be a problem. I think this is just a miscommunication. Who knows, maybe Tesla wants to have this 100 million euros at its balance sheet for the end of the year, and then will pay in by early January, maybe by January 4th or something, and after that the final permit will come and Tesla will have they will continue the work. So we'll see. It seems to me that until January 4th the work may be largely suspended. If you guys are local, please let me know in the comment section how things are going right now, what is going on right now. Maybe something has changed today. In the meantime, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. Have a wonderful rest of the day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. See you soon.